Right, so not too long ago I saw a video about gold diggers and how they attract sugar daddies and the tactics that they use to just keep them at a distance. Basically what they do is they don't sleep with them because obviously they want the gold, they want the sugar daddy to be chasing after them. So what they do is obviously they spend money on them to try and get them to sleep with them, but their sole tactic is to just exploit and extract money from these sugar daddies. You know what I'm talking about already. So one of the girls was talking about all these deviant and these manipulation tactics to try and extract money from the sugar daddies. So I left a comment and a few people liked it and thought it was funny, saying self-pimping, because that's exactly what that is. If you go out of your way to look good, right? Now I know it's in a woman's nature to want to attract a high status and a wealthy male. I haven't got a problem with that, but it's how you go about it. Like, if your sole purpose is, I'm not going to work, I'm not going to do anything with my life, all I'm going to do is invest in my body, get a boob job, get a bum job done, so I can look good enough to attract a man that is super rich, a wealthy man, or someone, you know, like a footballer. That's self-pimping. That's what I call high-class prostitution. I actually mentioned that in one of my other videos, how to attract an Instagram model. What these women will do is they'll make themselves look really attractive so they can just basically get pregnant by someone that has money, so that they are quote-unquote set for life. Now I just thought it was exclusive to, you know, the Essex lot, the Chelseas and the Ashleys. No. It's not just exclusive to them no more. Even the girls from the block, even the girls from the ends are doing it. The Aishas and the Tamaras. You can go and view them on Instagram. They're all doing it. They will make themselves look amazing. They will invest in them, in their bodies, so that they can go and attract a footballer or a rapper. This is happening right now as we speak. Now, that's on the high level. There's lower classes of, you know, self-pimping, you know, prostitution, without having to go out on the street. I was working for a local authority, and, you know, at this company there was a lot of black girls and stuff like that. All of us were all from the ends, we're all from the hood, yeah? One of the girls took it upon herself, right? Now, she's from the ends, just like me, just like all of you. Well, if you lot are from the hood, yeah? She was just a typical girl from the block. She took it upon herself to go and sleep with one of the managers, so that instead of just being an administration worker, she can get promoted to be the head of administration. And it worked, but it tarnished her reputation. No one respected her after that. It was terrible. Like, she's like proper typical hood girl, like you'd see her in the club and stuff like that, and she went and slept with this old white man, right? Just for a promotion. So you went from 20, you thought, right, it was worth sleeping with an old white man for promotion from 20 grand a year to 35 grand a year. Like, I wouldn't even get out of my bed for that kind of money. But each to their own. If you're young, or if you're a woman in general, like, watching this, don't you dare go and sleep with no manager for a promotion, right? I don't care if you're gonna get £1 million, don't do it. Because women do it in the rap industry. A lot of women, yeah, they basically sex their way to the top. Happens all the time. Another way, and it's quite sad when this happens as well, but there are some women out there, some mothers, right, and you are just like the worst, right? I don't think you understand what you're doing when you say this, but there are some women, some mothers, who tell their daughters, find a man with money. So basically what you're saying is, go out there and prostitute yourself. That's what it is. I don't care how a woman will try and defend it, because I know there's going to be some mothers out there who are watching this right now. They're going to say, no. I said that to my daughter. I think to themselves, I said that to my daughter, but I didn't mean that. Yeah, but that's what you're basically telling your daughter to do. Go out there and prostitute yourself. Find a man with money. How about find a man that's a man of principles, a man of respect, that's going to respect you. The money should come afterwards, you know. I could never imagine telling my daughter, if I had a daughter, go out there and find a man with money. No, I'd go and find a man that is a good person that you'd want your son to grow up to be like. Because so what if he has money? He could go out and cheat on her, beat on her, he could do all kinds of foolishness. How dare any woman say, go out and find a man with money? That is disgusting, but it happens. So if you're a mother watching this right now and you've told your daughter that, I suggest you tell her, you know, I made a mistake, I didn't mean it like that, right? Forget about finding a man with money. Find a man who, you know, can help you get to the next level. That's the type of man that you need to find. You don't need to find no man with money. What, you just want your daughter to be a stay-at-home mum? Come on, man. So if you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.